Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be pushing all the buttons in an elevator. Twains. So now, I think I see the elevator. Pretty sure, where is it? Pushing the freaking button. That's going over to 5th. Because I already tried it and I messed up. So now we're going to turn this one. Still on the 1st. So we're going to go down to the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one, the seventh one, the 8th one. So yeah. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we're on the 4th floor, so that one went out. Now my mom and dad are down there. Hi Dad, we're going down the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Oh, we're on the bed. We should just like have a party elevator. We're going up to the 6th floor. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Mom and Dad are still down there. Hi. Yes, I just now figured out how to zoom in and out. Ever since my Yoda Easter egg in Teen Titans. Go! Close the door now. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. 1, 2. Now we're gonna go back down. Can you believe I'm doing this? I had never actually done this before. This has 4 minutes remaining. This is gonna be a 4-minute video for you guys. Come on, the zombies are gonna kill me. Oh, look at that hand though. That foot though. Jeez, on my feet, you know it. Okay, we're on the 6th floor. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take a while. Before I was playing like elevator music in the elevator. This is gonna take forever. We only have 4 more floors to go. We're on the 1st. Come on, close the door. Probably gonna get kicked out. Sometimes it times out enough to hit them again. Oh crap, there's one right there and there's one right there. Crap, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. We're still, oh no. Oh no, we're on the 3rd floor. Come on, we need to go to the 2nd floor. Then we have to go to the 1st floor. The star floor. I wonder what that is. Oh, we're not gonna make it. Come on. On this floor, come on. Oh no. Oh no. Come on, come on, come on. We need to make it 4 minutes. Come on, come on.